Wow, I'm kind of lonely without my art friends. Wait, I think I hear them. Oh my gosh, it's my art friends, and you guys are watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm really excited because today we're going to be learning how to draw Tweety Bird. Well, in order to draw Tweety Bird, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a black Sharpie, but first let me show you something with this black Sharpie. Let me show you the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so right now. And we're also going to need a few more things. We're going to need a piece of paper, and we're going to need markers, right, to color in Tweety Bird. We're going to need a yellow-orange color, just a bright yellow color for Tweety Bird's body, and then a baby blue color for Tweety Bird's eyes. Well, I'm really excited. Let's go try to draw Tweety Bird and see what we can come up with. For the first step in making Tweety Bird, we're going to make almost a complete circle in the middle of the page. On the left side, we're going to make almost an L-like shape, and on the right side, we're going to make almost the same thing. We're not going to make these connect just yet. Now we're going to go ahead and make one curve on the left side, and then we're going to make one more. That'll be Tweety Bird's left arm, and that will be the beginning of her stomach. And on the right side, we're going to make the beginning of her right arm, and then we'll close off the other side of her stomach. Great, now we almost have the body complete. Now we're going to add legs. Tweety Bird's gigantic feet will end up being colored in an orange-yellow color at the end of the video. Now on the right side of the page, we're going to give Tweety Bird one of her feathers. The next step that we're going to do is to add Tweety Bird's beak. Once we're done making the beak, the next step will be to make two eyes. Tweety Bird has very prominent eyelashes, which we're making right now, and we're going to make those on the top of her eyes. The next step will be to add Tweety Bird's pupils in the middle of her eyes. Lastly, Tweety Bird has 3 hair strands on the top of her head. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now we're going to color her in. If you wanted to make your Tweety Bird super cool, you could write Tweety Bird at the top of the page.